Thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Josh. Me and my wife Brittany sell full-time online. So we love going to places like thrift stores. You're going to see in this video where we like to be a little more picky. We're picking up less of certain things, but found some of our favorite things to sell online. So thanks for hanging out. Subscribe and please enjoy this video. Drop a comment if you like finding certain things also. How's it going? Good. Day for guys' clothes. I mean, I'll have to look back. There's some of them, but Made in USA.
What is it?
Vintage birther.
Oh, nice.
Like tie-dye. Like, there's two of them. Yeah, the single stitch.
That's cool.
Yeah, look at this one.
That's cool.
Yeah, I mean, there's no like crazy things in here, but I'm like, somebody brought in a good rack of clothes. Any shoes?
No.
Some New Balances. Oh yeah, I went right past that.
Alvin Williamsville. Like 30.
Yeah.
Let's see. It doesn't have the best sell-through.
But now's the time to sell it.
26 listed, 10 sold.
How much is it?
$5.
Yeah, do you wanna look real quick since we've kind of perused the whole store? But I was like, yeah, I like this for $3. It's the Made in USA one. This one's $4. It's a large. If nothing else, I'll wear that one. This up. Flying Scotsman. This is just a Nags Head restaurant. Salmon Omies.
Is that that's the breakfast spot?
Uh-huh. But yeah, vintage tea. Cool.
Oh.
Large
Yeah,
shirts. $4.
Yeah.
Hard Rock, Myrtle Beach, Made in USA.
2000. Yeah. T-shirt collection. Oh, that was gonna say Crocodile Rock.
No. Midori.
It's got some staining on it.
Iguana Rocks. But yeah, single stitch. Keep. $19.99. Walk against
I
drugs and alcohol.
probably had that exact shirt. Like, that feels so familiar. I probably had that exact shirt.
Yep. It's not single stitch, but I was like $19.99.
Walk again. I feel like I really have that
That's
shirt.
cool. So were we yes on all these? And put the
Yes.
sweater back.
Oh, yeah.
So I was like, I will buy rocks glasses.
Oh, yeah. If they have them. Yeah, they do good.
Mm-hmm. It's like, I know we said no glassware, but I will get those. An incredible pile of shirts we found there, but yes, as I just said, glassware for the most part is going to be one of the categories we don't want to sell anymore. I'll still pick up things like Scentsy warmers, rocks glass. As I said, I love selling the rocks glass sets. But other than that, we're tired of having stuff get broken and shipping, and the storage of it is just I'd rather store things like t-shirts, but also things like you're going to see in this next thrift store.
Alright, you have a great day. You too.
Oh, we're doing. Everybody get there. We're doing Google.
Yep. Doing a good job there.
Thank you.
Nope.
What size are these? Golf glasses? I've never seen one like this, but it's staying at our house anyway.
A little bit of help. She's very loose.
Okay. See this?
I did not.
Holy cow, look at that miniature.
Shoes.
Oh yeah. 2 shoe clips. Hunter boots.
Yeah, see this key? They had one kid's keying like on the end aisle and they had $15 on it.
What's up, buddy?
Looking for goodies again.
I already dug through those.
You did?
There's still some good stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man. Thank you, honey.
I don't want nobody going through it like this one.
Like it's a shoe cart?
Yeah.
We'll look through the kids' shoes. Ooh, no. It's crazy. That Swamp Logger shirt on eBay. Offered $14. Made it for 18. No, they can get it. 25. Yeah, probably 20. 40. Yeah. figure out the size. They look bigger. They look bigger than 12.
Yeah.
I'll just go low end, 40 or 20.
Are these too dirty?
That's what I was wondering.
Like, are we gonna clean those?
Alright, we put them back.
Alright, so we take that top out.
Keep.
Yeah. Oh, so you can keep it in.
Probably 20. Same thing with these. Do you think they're too faded? Like the color's just not as bright.
I feel like the last ones we said were kind of like that.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're in the wash machine, right?
Mm-hmm. So 20, and then the hunter boots. Let's say 25.
Okay. 230.
I brought you down to 72.15. Would you like to round up the chains up support our mission?
Sure. She's alright. Alright, thank you. You too. Yeah. Two little quick thrift store stops. We only spent about $100 at those two stores, but we will make some really good money. And it's okay to not pick up everything. We do like selling a lot of categories, but eliminating one can still bring in some good money. Thanks for hanging out, and can't wait to see you in the next video.